In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize expenses in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account and head to your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the navigation menu and select Expenses. This is where all of your recorded business spending is organized, making it the central place to review and update transactions. After that, find the expense you want to categorize. If you have a long list of entries, take a moment to scan carefully so you choose the correct one. Once you've located it, click on that expense to open the full expense record. This will bring up the detailed form where you can review and edit the information tied to that transaction. Inside the expense record, look for the category section. This field is important because it helps FreshBooks organize your spending for reports, bookkeeping, and tax preparation. When you find it, click the category drop-down menu to open the list of available options. Now, choose the category that best matches the expense. Try to select the most accurate option based on what the purchase was actually for. Using the right category consistently can make your financial reports much easier to understand later on, especially when you're reviewing expenses over time. Before saving anything, take a moment to review the rest of the expense details. Double-check the merchant, the date, and the amount to make sure everything looks correct. This is a good habit because it helps catch mistakes before they affect your records. If needed, you can also add notes. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want to include extra context about the purchase, such as what it was for or why it was necessary. Clear notes can be especially helpful if you review the transaction later or share records with an accountant or team member. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the category. FreshBooks will update the expense record, so it's now filed under the category you selected. From there, repeat the same process for any other uncategorized expenses. Working through them one by one helps keep your books clean and organized, and it can save time when you need to generate reports or review spending patterns. When you're done, return to the expenses list and confirm that your expenses have been assigned to the correct categories. This final review helps ensure everything is accurate and complete. Thanks for watching.